In this video, we will learn about passing a list in Python. When we pass a list to a function, the function gets direct access to the content of the list. For example, if we have a list of students and want to print a grading to each, then we can send a list of names to a function called greetStudents, which greets each student in the list individually. First, I'm going to define a function greet students and pass in names, and inside it we are going to print this list of names by using for name in names, and then I'm going to save into message variable, and then hello and each student name, that will be name dot title, and after this just going to print our message, and then I'm going to create a list of students, and then going to make a call to create students function by passing our list of students, and now we can just save our script and run. To execute, I type Python 3 and the name of our script, that will be pass list.py, and just hit enter, and you can see it printed the message for each student, the grading message. So this way we can pass the list to a function in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.